It's a sunny morning, and flatbed driver John Doe is delivering a load of lumber to a construction crew at a housing development. Doe sees that he has to drive up a makeshift ramp and isn't sure if his truck can make the climb, but a construction supervisor tells him not to worry and that he'll guide him up the ramp. Doe slowly and cautiously makes it up the ramp, and his trailer is unloaded. After that, Doe starts backing down, but the construction supervisor is distracted and doesn't notice that the truck's fuel tank starts scraping against the ramp's sharp angle. The fuel tank is damaged, spilling Doe's fuel. Was this accident preventable or not? The National Safety Council ruled it was non-preventable. Doe had slowly climbed the ramp and made it safely, and had taken precautions before backing down the dock.